Simple tips to help you understand how to make money online. Are you interested in making money online? Maybe you would like an additional source of income but don't have a lot of time to do so? Perhaps you are looking to earn a full-time income from the comforts of your own home? No matter why you are here, there are great tips below to help anyone get starting making money online, so keep watching. If you are knowledgeable about a particular subject, put your knowledge to work for you. There are many companies, such as About.com, that will pay you for your knowledge. Most of these sites do require you to write a certain number of videos each month, however, this is a fantastic way to bump up your earnings. Remember that who you work for is as important as the work you do. Anyone who is looking for workers who will be happy with working for pennies isn't the kind of employer you want to work under. Look for someone or a company who pays fairly, treats workers well and respects you. Beware of companies that require you to put up cash of any amount before trying to make money online. Legitimate businesses will offer you money for your services, not the other way around. They will most likely take your cash and leave you with nothing. Make sure to steer clear of such enterprises. To make real money online, consider launching a freelance writing career. There are numerous reputable sites that offer decent pay for video and content writing services. By checking into these options and watching feedback of each company, it really is possible to earn an income without ever leaving your home. As stated in the above video, making money online is simple and convenient when there is a great plan to follow. You can do it, and all you need to do is remember what you learned in this video. It is important though, that you always continue to learn new things so you can continue to cash in on all the different ways to make money online. Student loan.